A few weeks ago, I took off the aftermarket Johnson pump that was originally installed in this car, and I installed the Bosch 010 pump on here. And it didn't come with the original rubber holder that goes here, but I managed to pick one up from the dealership. Doesn't look like there's a part number written on there, but this would go right on through there. And because the previous owner had the Johnson pump, he had cut off the wiring right here, and I didn't have the connector at the time, so I kind of just made my own makeshift connector in here. But now I got the actual connector here from Mercedes, along with the barrel connectors and the weatherproof rubber seals. So I'm go ahead and install those. So I was able to confirm the this plug does fit in there and clicks in securely. I did have to bend those pins straight back because when I made my makeshift connector here, it kind of got bent a little bit. So I just used a little screwdriver, bent it down here, and adjusted those pins so that it clicks into my connector. So while I've got the connector off, I can put on my sleeve here. You want the flat side against this post here. So the original screw that was here was way too long. So I just put a zip tie in through here for now, and then I'm going to go pick up a proper size bolt. In the meantime, I've got my little cables here cut so that they're just about ready for crimping on. And these are the three parts required to create the new plug for the Bosch intercooler water pump.